Hey guys and gals, this is my very, very favorite client, Erin. She's so cool. We always have a blast. And so I was so happy I got to spend like 5 hours with her, 6 hours that day. So I went in and I did a foliage, and I was so sick of this red hair on her head. So we're going to go with something purpley and blue and pink and like fun. And so I'm really working that lightener in using my Nomad Hair Pro foil board. And I love it because it's glitter. And who doesn't like friggin' glitter? I love glitter. So obviously my floors are glitter. So you go ahead, and I'm going in with Oligo Pro and Olaplex, and I am just like working that lightener in, guys. I am working it. Doing the deep weaves because I want contrast. I want pops of color. I don't care about her base color right now. I need to just get all these foils in. I'm kind of bricklaying them in like a V and then a straight across. And I'm feathering it up, but I'm gonna blend all of this in with her base color, which we're gonna do after this. So I'm gonna create a really strong front. She sent me a lot of pictures that were blue, so I figured she really wants to see blue hair, so we really need to get her light for blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put all these foils in her hair, and then I'm gonna base her to get rid of all of these lines. So right now I'm getting rid of the orangey kind of color, red color, and I'm going in with Pulp Riot Faction 8 and a demi, and I'm just going to comb all of that through, and that damn foil kept getting in my way. So this is the after of doing all those foils, and now I'm going to base her to blur away those lines. This really truly is the easiest way to do all this. Like instead of sitting and teasing and combing out, and it's just what a pain in the butt. This is the easiest way. Slice it, put the foil in, blur the line. So I'm just going to go in and base her. We process that for 30 minutes, and then we are going to go in and we are going to put the fun stuff on. So here we go. Just waiting for it to come. Here's long 3-minute videos. So I'm going ahead in with Matrix So Coat Color with Olaplex #1. Direct dyes have no effects on the hair. So if I put Olaplex in there, it's like basically giving you like a standalone treatment because there's nothing fighting against it. So it's amazing stuff. If you guys don't know about Olaplex, you guys should check it out. Just going in and working these colors side to side. It rolls the hair. It makes it spread. It makes the color penetrate. We don't want any missed spots because that would suck. So just going in, working it, feathering the colors together. It's going to come out just so beautiful, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see the result in the end. I don't even know what to say anymore. It's going to be kick-ass. You guys know my techniques by now. If not, check them out on the rest of my videos. And here it is. Oh my God, she looks so awesome. I'm so happy Erin has her fun hair back. Okay, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.